Hello everyone. So today I'm going to review my 3D printer for you guys. Here I'm printing a case for something I designed myself and I did the DIY myself. The printer prints everything automatically. All the settings here are already set up. I just need to put the file in here and print. Here, I copy the file onto the memory card. Insert the card here, turn it on, and print. So I have a few notes for you when printing, like if your print gets tangled like this, if it gets tangled like this, tangled like this. One reason is that this print bed here isn't leveled yet. If it's not leveled, you can look for a clip on how to level the print bed. The second reason is that the axis here is a bit too high, so you should adjust it. Adjust it so it's closer to the print bed, and then it won't get tangled. So basically, this printer I'm using is an Ender printer. When I print with it, the printed material comes out pretty nice. It's quite nice. And here I'm using printing filament. Yeah. Here I'm printing a sample, right now. And to get better adhesion, I've already replaced this print bed. It sticks really well, it's solid.